to another daily watch video. Let's quickly go over it because nothing really has changed in the market. For now, we got a bearish pressure on the euro-US dollar and we got a daily demand zone in here. We still have an unmitigated 4-hour supply up there, but if price reaches there again, it won't be good enough for short. For now, price looks like to be slowing down a little bit, but I really want to see either way a breakout back to the upside. Maybe we can take a short from there, or price just moving down further and creating another supply zone, maybe even breaking this. Now if we go to the DXY, we can see a similar scenario. So if we just take the right chart real quick, so what we can see in the DXY is we took out the low, we came out of a demand zone, and currently I'm still waiting for price to drop down a little bit to see if we can make a further reversal. For now, we don't have any confirmation that price is going up further. So for now, price in between those market shifts basically. Like main thing I'm watching right now is a demand zone. Same thing for euro dollar is a supply zone to take some short from to could potentially catch a further move back to the upside. But for now, shorts don't really make sense. Mainly because price already dropped so hard. It already took out the liquidity in here. So overall for longs, it looks pretty good if price can go back here and maybe make another rally back to the upside. For now, I'm not really doing a lot. I'm mainly just watching the market to see what can happen. Like price is just in a small range. Same thing for GU, a little bit bearish pressure, a lot of indecision in the market for the past few days. Now, if you go to AUDUSD dollar, we got a drop from our supply zone, so we got a nice touch in our 4-hour supply zone. We marked this one yesterday. I was expecting a little bit more of an up move, but nevertheless, it was still a nice zone. For now, of course, the 4-hour is bearish and it is in control. We took out the liquidity from these 4-hour lows in there. Besides that, it doesn't look very clean. Like we still have like this daily demand below in here. And for now, I just either way want to see price going back up again, and maybe eventually taking out this high. Maybe we can take another short from the highs in there. But for longs, I'm not really doing anything. It just looks bearish in the 4 hours, so I'm not going to catch any longs from there. Now, going to the NZDUSD, what we can see on the NZDUSD, similar scenario again. We got this supply zone all the way up there, and a price is reacting to it, so it looks a little bit bearish for now. And that whole DXY move could play out, and it could potentially also bring the NZDUSD down. So for now, I'm mainly looking for some shorts. I hope price can go back up again to this range in here, and maybe we can take another short from there to ride it further to the upside. But overall, of course, the daily time frame is still quite bullish. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, it is also quite bullish. So I'm just a little bit careful right now with all my positions on the dollar pairs. Now going over to gold, and regarding gold, we got a further push back to the downside. We are still in this range. We still had a little bit of a day trade in here. We didn't touch back in our supply zone. Currently, I'm expecting price to break the lows and go into this demand zone in there. So most likely scenario right now, so price will drop from this small candle in here. Mainly because we also have like 3 bottoms, like especially on the 1 hour, we have like 3 bottoms in here. So this one can easily be taken out. And after that, I'm going to watch what price is going to do in this demand zone. It's going to slow down and hopefully make like small breakouts on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and maybe eventually get another all-time high, hopefully. But for now, of course, we already took out the all-time high, so everything can still happen. Usually price will make a reversal again, like in here, make a steeper pullback. We already broke the trend on the 4 hours, so 4 hours still bearish. Daily is still bullish, so again, we are in between trends basically. So you want to wait for that confirmation before acting with some shorts. Maybe you can take some trades, but take it on a little bit of a lower risk. Now that's it on the Bitcoin. We see that price is currently breaking down. We took out the demand zone in here, and we took out the low also. Now on the daily time frame, I'm expecting price to go a little bit further, at least until this 0.25 level, and hopefully even fill this wick eventually. For now, price action is still bearish, but again, we are in this whole ping pong structure, how we call it. And if we take the whole structure, then you see the 0.25 is just a little bit lower. So I'm still expecting this wick to be filled at least. And let's see what's going to happen from there. We have some shorts running in the premium group. Yeah, if price goes down again, we can bank nicely on the short. And besides that, besides short, I'm not really expecting anything else besides price just at least going back to this low and hopefully filling that whole wick. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna close the video, and hopefully I will see you guys again tomorrow. Ciao.